class 7th. Question number 7 from exercise 1E. They have given us the temperature at Siberia, that is minus 28 degrees Celsius. The temperature of Brazil 28 degrees Celsius. And difference between them, we can find out what is the difference. 28 minus 28, right? 28 degrees Celsius of temperature they have given for Siberia. So now 28 minus become plus. Okay, so here only I have told you when minus multiply by minus, then you can see it become plus. So here 28 plus 28 we will get 56 degree Celsius. Now question number 8. Initial room temperature, according to the question, initial room temperature equals to 45 degrees Celsius and room temperature goes down at the rate of 4 degrees Celsius per hour, means decreases in temperature is decreasing. Today only I have told you how the terms are decreasing and how the terms are increasing. Okay, so keep just these things in your mind. And 4 degrees Celsius per hour equals to minus 4 degrees Celsius, because temperature is decreasing, then we will put minus sign. And the room temperature after 10 hours, for 1 hour 4 degrees Celsius minus 4 degrees Celsius, for 10 hour 4 into 10. So here 45 degrees Celsius initial room temperature, we have 45 degrees Celsius, then minus 4 into 10. We will get 45 minus 40 equals to 5 degree Celsius. Now question number 9. Marks for a correct answer. Question, according to question they have given us marks for a correct answer, that is plus 5, marks for incorrect answer, that is minus 2. So अगर आंसर करेक्ट होगा तो हम प्लस 5 देंगे वन क्वेश्चन. इफ आंसर इज इनकरेक्ट देन वी विल रिड्यूस minus 2. ओके, सो राजू स्कोर 6 करेक्ट एंड 6 इनकरेक्ट आंसर. राजू ने 6 करेक्ट क्वेश्चन किए एंड 6 इनकरेक्ट. So we will see the marks, how many marks he has scored. That is, Raju scored for 6 correct and 6 incorrect. So here we will get 6 into plus 5 for correct answer, plus 6 into minus 2 for incorrect. So now we can see 6 5 the 30, plus minus again minus here, 6 into 2 that is 12, 30 minus 12 we will get 18. Okay. Now second part of same question, they have give us how much marks scored by Manish. So here we have Manish has done 7 correct and 8 incorrect questions. Okay, so now we will see how much marks he has scored. Manish scored for 7 correct and 8 incorrect answer. 7 correct answer he has attempted, so he will get plus 5 for 7 correct answer, and plus he attempted 8 incorrect answers, so we will give minus 2 for the incorrect answer, plus 8 into minus 2. And here again we have 7 into plus 5, plus will be there, 7 5 the 35, then plus minus again minus, 8 to the 16, then we will get 19. So 19 marks has been scored by Manish. Okay. Now question number 10. Here we have question number 10. So you can see shopkeepers gain 1 pen for ₹2. गेन हो रहा है तो मतलब हम प्लस हमें मिल रहा है, राइट. सो वी विल यूज प्लस ₹2 इक्वल्स टू प्लस 2. एंड शॉपकीपर लॉसेज ऑन 1 पेंसिल, एक पेन पे गेन हो रहा है बट ही लॉसेज इन 1 पेंसिल. सो 1 पेंसिल हैज 50 पैसे, और you will convert 50 पैसे into rupees, then 50 upon 100, that is 1 upon 2, or you will get 0.5 rupees, which is minus 0.5. Minus we put because here we have a loss to sold 1 pencil, but shopkeeper gained profit for 1 pen, that is ₹2. So he sold 60 pens and 100 pencil. So now we can easily calculate 60 pen. For 1 pen he gained ₹2. For 60 pen he will get 60 into plus 2 because gain is there. So plus 2 will be here, and plus 100. He sold 100 pencil. Okay, he sold 100 pencil. So 100 into minus 2 because in pencil he got loss. So here we will write minus 0.5. So 60 into 2 minus 100 into 0.5, then 120 minus 50, which we will get 70. Plus 70 plus is here, so it means shopkeeper gain amount. Okay, so shopkeeper gain ₹70 because answer is coming on plus. Now question number 11, we have initial position of elevator is 100 meter above sea level, which is plus 100, and rate of descending of elevator equals to 6 meter per minute. So first part we have position of elevator in 20 minutes. So position of initial position is 10 and minus 6 into 20 minute, right? 6 into 20 minute means position of elevator, that is in the rate of elevator is 6 minute per minute he covered 6 meter of distance. So for 20 minute he will cover 6 into 20, that is 10 minus 120, or you will write that you will solve and you will get minus 110. So we will write, because earlier it has gone above the sea level, so we have taken plus, and now it is going to down below the sea level, that is 110 meter below sea level, or minus 110 meter means he goes down to sea level, so 110 meter below sea level. Okay, now we will see the time taken reached at the depth of minus 350 meters. So question is saying only, so class, you know the speed equals to distance upon time. From here time equals to distance upon speed. So equals to, you will write 10 is initial position minus, now it has covers minus 35. So time we have to calculate, time equal to distance upon speed. So speed they have given us 6 meter per minute. Speed तो यहाँ पे हमें पता है 6 meter per minute, and we will find out the distance. Okay, so initial position is 10 and reaches at the depth, what is the position, minus 35. So 10 minus 35, then minus minus become plus. 10 plus 350 upon 60, then you will get 360 upon 6, which is equal to 60 minute or 1 hour. Okay.